this episode, we will spearfishing in a remote area of Palawan together with local spearos, hunt and eat our own catch for survival in the middle of the sea. Kaya samahan niyo ako sa panibagong adventure natin mga kasi.
At yun, bayad na hapon mga kasi. We will go ocean in the afternoon today. Dahil afternoon dive mga kasi. Dahil kapon wala masyadong fish activity sa umaga. Sama natin na yun, Silent Hunter Bugoy.
Yes, yo!
Si Master Marco, Batang Spero. At syempre, Jack Cabiner Spearfishing, captain natin. Tara! Dito na tayo sa spot. So, malakas. Malinaw pa. Dito tayo lawat mga kasi. Dalawa kami ni Jack, tapos Batang Spero at Silent Hunter Bugoy sa maliit ng bahura.
No time for introduction mga kasi. This what happened, my first dive in this spot and probably one of the biggest tanig I ever shoot in my life. Let's watch it again. Unbelievable. I just turned on my camera. I think I saw it coming like from my right side. There were 3 of them, almost all of them same size, but eventually I didn't manage to take a video of the other 2. This one was the biggest one, I guess, like more than 11 kilos. It's huge, man, and I managed to deliver a perfect shot. Probably my best shot on the Taniga by far. And yeah, as you can see, it's a spine shot. Otherwise this fish would have really given me a lot of problems. And eventually what happened is that the flapper didn't open, and I noticed it straight away. So even the shaft perforated the fish and went to the other side. Still, as long as it didn't open. As you can see, it's just went almost out. Luckily, I managed to dive deep and grab the tail of the fish. That's what usually I do with tanigas. And yeah, this is not recommendable to get the mouth of the fish while it's still alive, because their teeth are crazy sharp as hell. But yeah, that's what I did.
Hey! May kasama bro! May kasama bro! Malaki din, dito!
That's what I said to my friend, that there were 2 of them down there, but eventually when he dove down, he didn't saw them. So yeah, crazy time. First dive, first huge king mackerel. Unbelievable luck today. I am so stoked, guys. I mean, look at this beauty.
Mama bro. Wait lang, ipatay mo na muna. Woo!
And this is why we love spearfishing. I also have the time to take a beautiful selfie under the water with this beautiful beast. Thank you, Mother Ocean, for this graceful catch. Let's go!
Yeah! Monster Tanigue.
After I secured my fish, I just went down and I saw another king mackerel. This time quite small, I would say from 1 to 3 kilos, but it was very spooky and I didn't manage to reach the gap, so it went away. Well, See you when you're bigger. And I dive again in the same area, in the same big rock where I shoot that huge mackerel. But at this time, as you can notice, everything changed. Probably the current changed, so quite murky water. So we just decided to went up and take a rest while our buddies, Batang Spero,
One,
he managed to catch
two,
so
three,
many
four.
trevallies. Can you just count them? How many?
GT. Ah, ito, malaki pa unti. Ayan.
Ikaw, pag jump ko, doon yung 4 na GT. Nag-uusap sila.
After my buddy almost finished all the trevallies in the area, we just decided to dive down deep again, and same spot of the king mackerel. At this time, you can really notice how murky the water is, but if I learned something about this area is that even the murky doesn't scare, especially the trevallies. So I just took my puesto, my spot, and I set up the ambush. And what we have to do here, just have patience. And this is what happened. Crazy as it seems and it looks, I just shoot like closed eye a brassy trevally. And I delivered one of the best shot I ever had on the brassy trevally. A kill shot, mga kasi. Hindi talaga nakalaw. Tingnan nyo guys. Patay na patay agad.
Grabe, kill shot mga kasi. Napakalabo.
While I was securing my fish, this group of lapis just went to say hi. I hope to find some rainbow runner together, but nothing else. And as you can see, my gun is not even loaded, so lucky guys there. Bye bye, see you next time. And let's move to another spot. This time the water is very much clearer, and I took my shot on this nice size bark cheek coral trout or oblong kung tawagin sila dito sa Dumaran, Palawan. Ayun o, maganda din ang patama natin sa isda nito, mga kasi. At malaking shoutout sa inyo lahat mga kasi sa walang sawa sumuporta sa channel at tiwala sa mga video natin. Simula sa mga kasama natin sa araw nito, syempre kay Palangga Marco at si Palangga Jack, maraming salamat guys sa syempre i-share ng spot nila mga kasi dahil sila talaga yung mga locals at mga masters dito sa area at masipag sila sa maghanap yung panibagong spot. Halimbawa yung spot na yon mga kasi na yon lang talaga na in-explore at sobrang tayo nabuenas sa area nito. Kaya maraming salamat sa itong dalawa ng tao, sobrang bait. At shoutout din siyempre kay sa mga kasama natin din, Silent Hunter Bugoy at Batang Spero.
Mac.
Oh, malaki bro.
Dito si Jack eh.
Yan oh. Ayos!
Ay, champion. Ito naman sinuka oh. Ano? Mac. Laki. Nagkaki daw. Wala. Dalawa sana yan. Nakawala yun.
Yun oh. Aray ko! Ayos! Nakadive ako ulit mga kasi dito sa bahuran nito dahil maraming huli si Bugoy at si Master Jack. Dito mga halos sila mga ubos ng mga badlon dito. Good size pa rin kaya naingit ako dito eh. Kaya sana nangadali ako din. Kaso medyo nalilito dito sa kung saan sila na dumadaan at ito na lang yung nagpakita sa akin. Itong klase ng pagi madalas din na nagpakita dito sa Dumarang, Palawan. Uwi na! Aldous! Shoutout siyempre sa mga solid commenters at supporters natin. Simula kay Eduardo Yonson, Saludo San Pablo from Marinduque Province, Arman Longer TV, Larry Amos Hilario Lacochero, Danilo Adalim, Joped Jasildo, Siang Camacho, Jose Roldan Jornales, Rafi Spearfishing, Marcelo Bernaldez, Ronnie Alpas, Rosaling Ocampo, solid supporter, Ronald Embodo, Nero Bianco, Ruben Lara, Felicito Jungay, Dennis de la Cruz family ng Nay Cavite, Spartan, Lore Vidal, Noyax Auto Park Team Moy Kulba ng Davao City, at John Jungay. Maraming salamat po. Dito tayo sa tabi. Ayun o. Pelagic yan. Ayos! Kasama yung mga master na yun eh. Ayun o. Aray ko paldo. Ayan o mga masters. Master! Master, kumusta ka dyan doon sa loob, Master? Ayan o, Master.
Wala gusto. Hindi, masaling guno. Ay, baka siguro na dyan. Oh, kapot. Yan, tama na.
Right! Solid supporters natin, si Francis guys, oh, dito sa Santa Teresa de Dumarang, Palawan. Ayan o, against the light dito. Ayan o. May ilang kilo, Master? Ilang kilo kaya to?
30, sobra.
Set yun. Kailan yan? Ka. Paldo. Yan o. Yari.
Salamat sa videographer natin.
Bigat kapon.
Oh. Ay,
Sabi natin.
Kailangan talaga bagong PB eh. Yun oh. 617.
What?
Ay, gano'n naman. 470. Sashimi! Yung chan part bro. Yung chan. Yan.
Yan, pwede na.
Oh, pwede. Aray ko, sarap.
Kilaw.
Kilaw syempre. At ulam natin yan. Dalawang balitan GT. Ihaw. At sabaw. Ang video. Tama yung sikat ng vlogger.
Silent Hunter, buboy.
Yan o, sana napakita guys.
Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Nag-aikot yung ano, ganito ang kamay, yung ganon. Yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ayan pa.
Sashimi!
Nasa sobrang tangin na kita ko kanina.
Natin sa...
Sa salamin sa tingnan mo.
Or dito ganito lang.
Mo pala kanina na, naglabit mo yan. Ta, bukas ta, bili tayo ta ng yung guna. O di kaya yung ano,
Nesto Jin.
next to Jen.
Gunakid.
Saka Alaska.
Gunakid 3 plus.
Batang bilang.
Ayun o. King Mackerel. Kanong ulit to bro, di ba?
Aking bro,
Yun.
ulit, nahuli natin aking mackerel. Isashimi namin, yan, no? Si
Small.
bro, Lokasi.
Kahit maliit, same
Ayan,
taste pa rin.
Wasabi.
More.
More wasabi.
Yun.
Tikman natin.
Tapos
Siyempre.
nalos natin sa...
Sinigang pa kami.
Sige bro,
Sige bro,
ikaw na una.
tirahin mo na.
Kamay lang.
Wala daw doon.
Hmm.
Kasi R pa daw.
Hoy!
Tama nga.
Tikman natin mga lods. Tikman natin. Ano ito?
Ooh!
Sarap ba?
Wow bro.
Oo, medyo...
Kahit maliit. May lasa talaga yan eh.
Yan. Wow. Sarap.
Bro. Ikaw na.
Sashimi. Sarap pala bro.
Di ba bro, may lasa no?
Ikaw.
Na hindi sila ng... Ne!
Sarap pala bro.
Kalalo ako ubu-ubuhin.
Tignan mo.
Ayun na.
Itong peraso nito. Nakaraan, hindi ka na kinakain yan. Di ba?
Eka.
Hmm.
Yan yan, subukan mo sige.
Sarap yan.
Ubu ka.
Ano daw?
Ikaw.
Konti.
Manghang yan.
Konti.
Manghang.
Konti lang. Yun. Sige.
So, yan mga lods, kilawan tayo na itong kuha nga tangigi. O, sashimi na.
Oh, sarap, di ba? Oh, galing.
Na wasabi. Ya. Power. Paldo. Nilaw pa.
Siyempre.
Sinasayang nyo ang isda.
Kaya, malasa bro.
Ay, dayo pag gusto eh. Ito talaga sa nitidan. Parang lagi.
Nagayang ka pa wala?
Sarap.
Malasa. Mas masarap ito.
Lasa no?
Lasang lasa.
Charmy J, yung clip ko sa buka na pinamuna.
Iba, kakaiba siya. Ano?
Bro, kaya try?
Go bro, siyempre. Of course.
Paldo.
Pinakamasarap eh.
Seafood. Sarap talaga.
Okay.
Sarap siya.
At siyempre, we just started. Ayun pa. Meron pang kilaw. Kilaw ko yun eh.
Wala kang hangin. Medyo pabilog na lang ang tirada natin dito.
Kilaw tayo.
Ito na lang actually.
Hawakan ko bro.
Anong parte ni Pai Boss?
Grabang sabor.
Sige para
Ayun oh. Prito siyempre.
Pandalan niya pa pag yan. Sige na.
Ano pag
Elbow! Siyempre, may sabaw,
bata?
prito, kilaw. Siyempre.
Siyempre.
Kaya bro.
Parang pag sakit imong tiyan. Takot sana dito maupo eh.
Ay, ito.
Init mo.
Kilaw, kilaw.